Hello everybody and welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. This is part 2 of the CamerHack adapter to get the 120 film to fit into a 616 camera. So this is the Brownie camera. Let me finish winding this on camera, see if that has any issues. I just went out and about and took some photos. And it does. I think I could actually get one last photo in. I think I did my math wrong. Let me pause this and take a picture of the cat. Well, the cats were moving around, so I wasn't able to get a picture of them. So I wanted to do the winding on camera just to show that I can get all the way to the end. And I think this will be the first time I've successfully done it. I tried other adapters and I had trouble with it. I'm not knocking other makers or other brands or anything like that. I just, I know that these old cameras can be rough. And yeah. So anyway, so that was the first time I was able to successfully roll a whole roll of film through a 616 camera. So I'm really excited about that. So let's open it up and see how it wound. I know that you should do this in the dark or low light setting, but I just want to see how tight it is. So it's a little loose. So obviously I want to do that in the dark next time. Yeah, it is quite loose. Wow. Let me throw this in a tube. Special shout out and thanks to Miss Laura for sending me that tube to put that in. Now let's look at this piece right here, see if it was chewed up at all. I'm going to bring it close to the camera. Let's get it to adjust. And you can see there's no wear and tear or biting of this metal, which is what I was really, I wanted to not have happen, and it didn't. So I'm really excited about that. So overall, the 616 converter works well. I'm happy. I'll process that film. Hopefully, with how loose it was, it didn't cause any issues. So we'll see that. Also, I'm going to put a link below to another YouTube channel, Allie's Vintage Cameras. I had contacted her asking about this adapter to see if she had any chewing issues, and she had said no, and she suggested this. So just a shout out to her. And she actually looks at this camera, I think the same exact type, and does a take apart and cleans it up. So I'll be back soon to let you know how the processing went, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.